Hey there! I bought and tested these cycling rain jackets so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I've been through the rain and the shine, and I'm here to share my honest experience. Whether you're a casual rider or a serious cyclist, having the right gear is crucial. Let's dive into the top 5 rain jackets that will keep you dry this summer. Product number 1. Biqua Men's Cycling Rain Jacket. Let me tell you about the Biqua Men's Cycling Rain Jacket. When I first unwrapped his jacket, I was immediately struck by its vibrant fluorescent yellow color. As a cyclist, staying visible is a big deal for me, especially during those gloomy, overcast days. This jacket is made from 100% polyester, which not only feels lightweight, but also provides excellent waterproof and windproof properties. I took it out for a spin on a drizzly afternoon, and I was thoroughly impressed with its performance. The jacket boasts a DWR finish that keeps the rain at bay, and I can attest to its 5,000mm waterproof rating. I felt completely dry even during a steady drizzle. The breathability of the fabric is another standout feature. It has underarm zips and back vents that really helped to release heat while I was pedaling hard. No one likes feeling like a sweaty mess, right? I also appreciated the multiple pockets. 3 waterproof Zicker pockets on the front and 2 inner pockets meant I had ample space for my phone, keys, and even a snack. The packable feature is a game changer. After my ride, I could easily fold it into its pocket, making it super easy to carry. On the downside, the jacket's fit is somewhat loose, which may not appeal to everyone. If you prefer a more tailored look, you might find it a bit baggy. However, the adjustable drawcord at the hem helps to customize the fit a bit. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable rain jacket that won't break the bank, the Biqua Men's Cycling Rain Jacket is definitely worth considering. Why buy it? This jacket offers an excellent balance of waterproofing and breathability, making it ideal for summer cycling. Plus, its high visibility keeps you safe on the road. Trust me, you won't regret adding this to your cycling gear. Product number 2. Fitz T4 Sports Women's Cycling Rain Jacket. I was immediately drawn to its stylish design, which is not something you always find in functional cycling gear. I wore it during a light rain while out for a run, and it held up quite well. The fabric is slightly water resistant, so while it's not meant for heavy downpours, it's perfect for those unexpected sprinkles. The lightweight material didn't weigh me down at all, which is a huge plus when you're trying to keep a good pace. The back ventilation is another thoughtful touch. It prevented me from overheating during my workout. I could feel the airflow, which made a significant difference. The anti-skid hem kept the jacket in place, which I found particularly beneficial while cycling. On the downside, the packable design only folds into the back pocket, which might be a tight fit for larger items. Additionally, although the reflective elements are great for low-light conditions, I wish there were more of them for better visibility. So why buy the Fitz T4 jacket? If you're looking for a lightweight, stylish rain jacket that offers decent protection for mild weather, this is a solid investment. It's versatile enough for cycling, running, or any outdoor activities, making it a great addition to your wardrobe. Product number 3. Qualidyne Men's Lightweight Cycling Windbreaker. Let me introduce you to the Qualidyne Men's Lightweight Cycling Windbreaker. This jacket is a hidden gem. I wore it during a breezy ride, and it performed beautifully against the wind. The windproof fabric really blocked the chill, making my ride more comfortable. While it isn't fully waterproof, it does resist light rain, which is perfect for those drizzly mornings. The jacket is incredibly lightweight, weighing just 2.4 ounces. I barely noticed it while riding, which is exactly what I want in cycling gear. The full zip feature made it easy to put on and take off, and I appreciated the targeted back vent openings that allowed for excellent airflow. However, it only has 2 zip pockets, which might be limiting for those who like to carry more essentials. Also, the reflective details could be more prominent for better visibility at night. So why buy the Qualidyne jacket? It's perfect for cyclists who need a light layer against the wind without the bulk. It's easy to pack along for those unpredictable weather days, making it a practical choice for any cyclist. Product number 4. The Biqua Women's Cycling Rain Jacket. Right out of the package, I was impressed by the quality of construction. The jacket features a 100% waterproof interior, and I tested it during a solid rainstorm. It stood up beautifully with no leaks whatsoever. The breathability is also top-notch thanks to the additional vents that allow for airflow while you're active. I didn't feel stuffy at all, which is a huge win. The adjustable hood is a nice touch, providing extra protection against the elements. I found myself adjusting it quite a bit to keep it snug against my face. With 5 utility pockets, I had ample space to store my essentials securely. However, I did find the jacket to be a bit on the heavier side compared to others, which may not be ideal for those looking for ultralight gear. So why buy the Breathable women's jacket? It's beautifully crafted for those who want serious protection from the elements without sacrificing style and comfort. If you're a cyclist who braves the rain, this jacket is a great addition to your gear collection. Product number 5, the generic men's rain jacket. At a price of just $29.99, this jacket is a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. The lightweight and breathable polyester fabric felt comfortable against my skin, and the 3-dimensional tailoring ensured a snug fit without compromising movement. I wore it on a cool evening and found that the stand-up collar provided excellent coverage against the wind. The seamless rubber cuffs and taped seams gave me confidence that I was protected from leaks. While I didn't test it in heavy rain, the jacket held up well during light showers. However, it's worth noting that its compact pack size makes it easy to carry around, which is a big plus for cyclists. On the downside, the reflective coating could be improved for better visibility in low light conditions. So why buy the generic men's rain jacket? If you're looking for a reliable rain jacket that won't break the bank, this is a great pick. It's functional, comfortable, and perfect for those occasional outdoor adventures. There you have it, my top picks for the best cycling rain jackets this summer. Each of these jackets offers something unique, whether it's style, functionality, or affordability. Remember, staying dry while cycling is crucial for your comfort and safety. Invest in the right gear and you'll enjoy your rides no matter the weather.